Today we're going to paint our squirrel. I carbon copied mine onto this piece of cardboard, and now I'm going to do the thing that's furthest away. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my horizon line. The horizon line is where the sky meets the land. That's going to be somewhere behind your squirrel, maybe about a third of the way up your page. Try and get it nice and straight. First thing I'm going to do is paint the thing furthest away from me, which is the sky. So I'm using acrylics today, but you can use whatever paints that you have at home. If you choose to use acrylics, be very careful about your clothing, wear an apron. Okay, I'm going to mix up some colours. I'm going to take a big blob of white and a very small blob of blue, and I'm going to mix up a very, very pale sky blue colour. What I would like you to do is just, before you start painting, pop outside, have a look at what the colour of the sky actually is, and think about what colour you paint. Okay, so I'm going to use sideways brush strokes to paint my sky in. I've got a big brush that I'm using to do the big open spaces, and then when I come nearer to the squirrel, I'm going to use a smaller brush. Don't worry about slightly going over the lines. That's the lines of the squirrel are just for a guide. When I've done all of the sky, I'm going to go onto the grass because the grass is the next nearest thing. So I'm going to mix up my grass colour. Again, pop outside, look at your grass in your garden, get a little bit of grass, bring it inside. Think about what actual colour is the grass. Mix up a little bit of blue and a big blob of yellow. And then I want to get texture in my grass. So I'm going to draw my grass just like that, okay? And I'm going to keep doing that over and over again until I've got all of my grass. I'm going to mix different shades of grass. So some bits are going to be lighter and some bits are going to be darker. And when I've finished, I should have something that looks like that.